So on our way to the Acropolis on a Tuesday morning, right before 8 o'clock, passing by a theater. We almost made it.
They're doing reconstruction, and apparently they have all the rows numbered, so that we'll have performances actually there.
And it's early, but there's still a lot of people already. There it is. Getting rainy a little bit, so we're gonna head down to the slopes because we haven't been there yet. Walk there, and then we'll go to the Roman Forum, the last place on our combination ticket.
So I understand now why, like, you see this, or everything is old, and then all of a sudden it's like kind of like a new out of marble pieces. It's probably fallen off before, so they reconstructed it and put the marble stone.
I wonder if these lines were also original or not.
They look very old, probably yes.
And it's like right here. You can actually touch it, but you're not supposed to, of course.
They guard the entrance.
Here's the Temple of Asclepius. I wonder if this marble here.
Asclepius was the god of medicine.
Oh, I wonder if the marble here is new.
Yeah, it's definitely new, no doubt.
It looks nice. So people would pray to him for healing, I guess.
I guess so. He's the son of Apollo and Coronis. So this is the theater of Dionysus, this one.
And you can see some caves there that are maybe probably the sources of the spring water here.
So we're walking right next to Acropolis. And what I don't understand is there are so many buildings that are abandoned or in ruin. Historical place that you would think that next to it the real estate would be expensive and well developed, but it's not.
Zum Thema Kinder. Und zwar nicht nur
Anafiotika.
Anafiotika.
So there's a sign there to keep quiet and clean for the visitors. So we're walking by this historic district next to Acropolis, and as we mentioned, there are many buildings that are abandoned or ruined. And we're thinking that you can even make lots of these houses as like tourist rentals and just rent them if nobody wants to live here. I bet that people wouldn't mind to stay right next to Acropolis, and you can, I guess, charge a lot of money for that if it has all the necessary amenities. Even not, I mean, it's right next to Acropolis. Can't get any better than this. But yeah, it's very strange to see these abandoned buildings with lots of trash all over it. But there's some areas where people live, so yeah, it's like a graffiti hallway.
We're walking around the Roman Forum to find the entrance. You can basically see all of it just walking around it, just not up close. So, sometimes you can't find where the entrance is because Google won't tell you. It's alright though. It's a nice walk. We do like 20,000 steps every day here. You can see the Acropolis. So we walked all the way around it and found the entrance. The entrance of the Roman Forum. Oh, look at these roses. Nice. That's a nice area. No people here. Surrounded by ruins, and you can see the Acropolis. So this is the Tower of Winds, the clock tower.
Yeah, so they were able to tell the time.
Oh, it's amazing here. Get right up close here.
So besides the sundials to tell the time, they also had a water clock. So they would measure time by how much fluid was flowing from one water vessel to another. So somebody's job was to stand here and pour water from one vessel to another.
Yeah.
It's like in Lost, you have to press the button.
Yeah. There's some kind of remnants of a wall. This is all around the 1st century AD. So we're in the central market in Athens. And there's people selling garlic. I think that's olive oil. There's butchers here.